Your question is, if the sum of the first pth term of an AP is equal to the sum of the first qth terms, then find the sum of p plus q terms. See that what they have told. They have told the sum of pth term, that is SP, is equal to the sum of the first qth term, that means SQ. So what is the sum formula that we will write? So sum formula is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here Sp, instead of n they have told p, that we will write. So here it will come as what? P by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d, that is equal to q by 2. Here it will come 2a plus q minus 1 into d. So now you can see in denominator 2 is common. Just we will eliminate it. Why means if you cross multiply it, it will get doubled on both sides. Therefore we can reduce them. So this 2 and 2 gone. So now what it will be? Just multiply them. So you can see you will get 2AP plus P into P into D is PD. And here it will be P minus 1. That is equal to, again you have to do here 2AQ plus QD into Q minus 1. Bring A to one side, D to one side. So what it will be? 2AP minus 2AQ. 2AP minus 2AQ, that is equal to, now here QD into Q minus 1, and this will become negative, that is your PD P minus 1. So here if you see 2A is common, 2A. So here it will be what? P minus Q. Now here if you see, if you multiply this by this, what you will get? D is Q square minus Q. Q square minus Q. And here it is D, again D. So what you will get? T square minus P. Here D is common. So what you will get? Q square minus Q minus P square plus P. That is your D. And here it is 2A into P minus Q. Now if you see here, Q square minus P square, it is in the form of A square minus B square. That we will write. So here it will be what? 2A P minus Q. That is equal to D into Q minus P into Q plus B. Q plus P. This gets over. Remaining is this. So here we will write what? P minus Q. So this will be what? Plus P minus Q. Now here you can see this is the bracket, here also the bracket. Now if you see here, here it is after positive P minus Q, and here it is Q minus P. That means minus is taken out here. So what it will be? if you take this as common, so what it will be? It will be D and P minus Q is common. So here you will get 1. And this, that is in negative. That is in negative you will get it. So here you will get minus P minus Q. Why means here minus is taken out. So minus into this is negative. So this will be like this. So now, and here it is 2A P minus Q. Now what is your D here? That we have to find it out. So now we can say D is equal to 2A into P minus Q by this value. That is your P minus Q into 1 minus P minus Q. So now this and this gone. So therefore we can say D is equal to 2A, and here it is by 1 minus P minus Q. Now they have what they have told. They have told to find the sum of P plus Q. So instead of N we will put P plus Q. So therefore it will come P plus Q by 2. And here it will be 2A plus P plus Q minus 1. And here D is this value. So here therefore it will be 2A by 1 minus P minus Q. Now you see this and this. Here 1 minus P minus Q, here P plus Q minus 1. That means they are only the sign are changed. That means what we have to do? Just we have to change one of the sign. So here we will change this. So it will become what? P plus Q by 2 into 2A minus. If you put minus here, this one will come first. Minus P minus Q into 2A by the same value, 1 minus P minus Q. This and this will go out. So now what you will get? You will get P plus Q by 2, and in bracket is 2A minus 2A. So 2A minus 2A is 0. So therefore this is 0. So what is that? P plus Q by 2 into 0 is 0. So therefore we can say sum of P plus Q is equal to 0. So like this we have to do it.